Here's something I bet you've been through. You're in the middle of a conversation, trying to explain something, and suddenly, you just can't find the right verb. It's like your brain went on vacation. But guess what? I've got 40 plus of the most useful verbs that will make your day-to-day conversations so much easier. Let's dive right in and get started without wasting a second. Do. I do the laundry on Sundays. What do you do when you're bored? Go. I go to the gym every morning. She goes on vacation every summer. Make. I make dinner for my family every night. He always makes everyone laugh at parties. Get. I get so tired after a long day of work. She gets so many compliments on her new dress. Take. I take the bus to work. He always takes the last piece of pizza. Say. She says it's going to rain today. I said I would clean up, but I forgot. No. I know this recipe by heart. He knows exactly what to say in awkward situations. Want. I want to watch that new movie tonight. She wants to travel the world. Need. I need a nap after that meal. He needs to finish his homework before playing video games. See? I see the mountains from my bedroom window. She sees her best friend every weekend. Come. Can you come to my party this weekend? He comes home really late after work. Give. Give my friend advice all the time. She gives her time to volunteer every week. Think. I think it's time for a change. What do you think about trying a new restaurant? Use. I use my phone to set alarms for everything. She uses that app to track her workouts. Find. I can't find my keys anywhere. He always finds the best deals when shopping. Tell. I tell my mom everything. She told me a funny story yesterday. Ask. I always ask questions when I don't understand something. He asked for directions because he was lost. Work. I work from home now, it's great. She works late almost every night. Feel. I feel so tired after that workout. He feels excited about his new job. Call. I call my dad every Sunday to check in. She calls her best friend whenever she needs advice. Try. I always try to eat healthy during the week. He tries to learn something new every day. Leave. I leave the house at 8 a.m. every day. She leaves work early on Fridays. Put. I put my phone on silent during meetings. He puts ketchup on everything. Keep. I keep a journal to write down my thoughts. She keeps her room spotless. Start. I start my day with a cup of coffee. He starts his new job next week. Play. I play soccer with my friends on the weekends. She plays the guitar in her free time. Help. I always help my sister with her homework. He helps out at the local animal shelter. Run. I run every morning before breakfast. She runs her own business from home. Move. I move my desk around when I need a change. He moves to a new apartment next month. Live. I live in a small town by the sea. She lives just around the corner from me. Write. I write in my diary every night before bed. He writes letters to his grandparents. Read. I read a new book every month. She reads the news first thing in the morning. Listen. I listen to music while I work. He listens to podcasts during his commute. Speak. I speak English at work and at home. She speaks 3 different languages. Open. I open the window to let fresh air in. He opens the door for everyone. Close. I close my laptop when I'm done with work. She closes the blinds at night. Eat. I eat breakfast every day at 8 a.m. He eats way too much pizza on the weekends. Drink. I drink coffee every morning. She drinks green tea to relax. B. I am so excited for the weekend. They are always late to the meeting. Have. I have 3 projects due tomorrow. She has the best coffee machine ever. Buy. I buy groceries once a week. He buys his clothes online. Pay. I pay my bills at the start of the month. She pays for everything with her phone. Meet. I meet my friends for lunch on Fridays. He meets new people at his job all the time. Look. I look for my phone every morning. She looks amazing in that dress. Send. I send emails all day for work. He sends birthday cards to his family. That was excellent practice. Let's chat in the comments. What's your favorite verb from the list? And hey, if you learned something today, hit that subscribe button, or your Wi-Fi might mysteriously start slowing down. Don't forget to check our channel for more tips and tricks.